话里，或者说来制造这种恐怖事件。而且当天我也迅速组织政府部门成立了协议的调查组跟委员会，承诺不浪费一分一秒，尽快的对这个恐怖事件做出调查。
We had a very high-level security meeting the day after this incident on 27th of March, and we had detailed discussion as to how this very sad incident took place, and discussed better coordination with the provinces, KP, Punjab, Balochistan and Sindh, Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, and what additional measures are required to further augment these security measures. And this meeting went on for many hours, and this meeting was attended by federal ministers, by the Chief Army Staff, General Nasir Munir, and security intelligence heads and other relative officers. And a meeting is due in the next few days, which I will chair, and I want to assure you, my Chinese brothers and sisters, that I will not rest until we have put in place the best possible security measures for your security, not only in Dasu, but all over Pakistan.
在这个3.6事件之后的第2天，巴基斯坦政府立即就组织召开了高级别的这个安保会议。当时安保会议的参加人包括总理，然后军方的陆参，还有当时组织了这个吉尔吉特政府、KPK 政府，皮鲁支、信德各个政府的官员一起参加了这个安保会议。大家在会上共同讨论了为什么这种恐怖袭击事件会发生，而且大家也讨论了，如果要杜绝这种事情发生的话，需要采取哪些额外的